Hey guys, my name's Evan Kimbrell and welcome to my course on Project Management Fundamentals. Did you know that according to one study, 97% of organizations say they believe project management is a critical part of the performance and success of their business? So yeah, basically everyone realizes that you've got to have project management skills to make a business work. Those skills include analysis, planning, execution, monitoring, and completing projects in efficient ways. It means following through on plans to produce what people want and understanding how to build and motivate your team. So, if you value these skills as much as those 97% of companies out there, then this course is going to be for you. We'll talk about how project management works, including the role of a project manager and how to be successful, how to analyze and get a project approved, how to plan out and execute on a project, how to deal with changes and other challenges along the way, how to complete a project successfully, and multiple types of project management approaches that you could consider. By the end of this course, you'll be able to apply this knowledge immediately to your own projects. By focusing on the values of your customers and your business, you can use these best practices to complete successful projects that help you accomplish your goals. So, if you're ready to get started, I'll see you in the first lecture.